For decades, astronomers have searched for something strange, something massive lurking in the shadows of our solar system. It doesn't glow, it doesn't reflect light, but it pulls, it warps orbits, it changes everything. And now, thanks to a telescope in Chile, we may finally have the proof. This isn't clickbait. NASA-backed scientists believe they've found new evidence pointing toward a hidden gigantic planet, Planet 9, orbiting far beyond Neptune. This could be the biggest discovery in planetary science since Pluto was demoted. So buckle up, because what we're about to uncover might just blow your mind. Let's start with the basics. Planet 9 is a hypothetical planet, believed to be 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, orbiting our Sun at a distance so vast it could take 10,000 to 20,000 years to complete a single orbit. No, we haven't seen it directly yet, but here's the weird part. Its gravitational fingerprint may already be visible. Back in 2016, two Caltech astronomers, Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown, noticed that a group of icy objects in the Kuiper belt just beyond Neptune had strangely similar orbits. That shouldn't happen naturally. It's like they're being herded by something big, something dark, something hidden. Fast forward to today. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile, finally operational in 2025, has begun capturing the deepest sky scans we've ever seen. In a recent report leaked to scientific forums and later confirmed by NASA-affiliated researchers, astronomers observed new anomalies in the outer solar system. These anomalies match simulations of how Planet 9 would bend the orbits of distant Kuiper belt objects, even ones we've only recently discovered. It's not proof yet, but it's the closest we've ever gotten. And here's the kicker. Some researchers believe we might actually image the planet in the next 12 to 18 months. If Planet 9 exists, it's probably 10 times more massive than Earth, making it a true ice giant, possibly bigger than Uranus or Neptune. But unlike those planets, it's way out there, hundreds of times farther from the Sun than we are. That's why it's so hard to find. Even massive objects become virtually invisible at that distance, too faint for most telescopes. Yet its gravity is still strong enough to throw other objects off course. Think about that. An invisible force warping the architecture of the solar system, and we're only now beginning to detect it. Of course, theories abound. Some believe Planet 9 could actually be a primordial black hole, the size of a tennis ball but with Earth-level mass. That would explain why it's invisible. Others say it might be a captured rogue planet, a drifter pulled into our system billions of years ago. And yes, a few fringe theories even suggest ancient civilizations may have known about it, referring to it as Nibiru. Let's be clear, there's no scientific evidence supporting alien theories, but the fact that we can't yet see it, even with our best tech, just adds fuel to the speculation. If Planet 9 is confirmed, it's a game changer. First, it would reshape how we define planets. Again, remember Pluto? That debate would be back on the table. Second, it would prove our solar system is not fully explored, that massive celestial bodies can still go undetected. And third, it opens the door to new possibilities, more planets, moons, even asteroid belts we've never mapped. More importantly, it tells us that we might only understand a tiny fraction of our cosmic backyard. Here's what people always ask. Is Planet 9 dangerous? The short answer, no. It's too far away to affect Earth's orbit or gravity in any noticeable way. But it might explain the tilt of the Sun, odd comet trajectories, and why some regions of the Kuiper belt look like they've been swept clean. In other words, it's shaping our solar system's outer edges, quietly, invisibly, relentlessly. So what happens next? Astronomers are now racing against time, using sky surveys, infrared tech, and gravitational modeling to pinpoint this mysterious force. If Planet 9 is real, we could soon witness the biggest planetary discovery of the 21st century, and if it's not, then something even stranger is going on. Don't miss what happens next. Hit subscribe and drop a comment below. Do you think Planet 9 is real, or is it just a cosmic ghost story?